Okay, so you're here to practice solving equations. So we're going to do problem 1 and 2 together, just step by step, and then I'm going to encourage you to try the next 2 problems and come back to see if you got the answers correct. So we've been practicing a lot on solving equations, so I'm just going to lead you through with the questions that we're looking at here. So the first thing you should always ask yourself is, do you need to distribute? Okay, so in this problem we do need to distribute. We need to distribute this -7 into this x plus 3. So we're going to have 4x minus 7x minus 21 equals -36. Okay, the second question you need to ask yourself is, are there any things on the left side of the equal sign that I can put together? And are there any things on the right side of the equal signs that I can put together? Okay, so remember, this is where we start looking at it as separate sides. Okay, so I recognize that I can put this 4x minus 7x together, and I recognize that that's actually -3. So I write -3x minus 21 equals -36. So a mistake that I saw a lot of people doing at this point is they want to add 7x into this 4x. That's not how you combine like terms. This says 4x take away 7x. That's the math that you do. Okay, at this point we have -3x minus 21 equals -36. I don't have any variables on this side, so I just need to work on getting this variable by itself. So I need to get rid of this minus 21. We need to do the opposite. The opposite of subtract is add, so I need to add 21 to both sides. We get -3x equals, and over here I have 36 negatives and 21 positives. So I know this is actually going to be a negative 15. The next thing we do is we are multiplying x by -3. So I want to do the opposite. I want to divide by -3. I don't want to divide by x because the x needs to stay there. If I divide by x, it will be canceled out. I don't want to do that. Okay, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so this becomes +5. Okay, let's take a look at problem 2. Okay, first question, do you need to distribute? Second answer, yes. So we get 3x plus 6 equals 4x plus 14. Second question, do you have second question is really, can you make this simpler? I cannot make this simpler. Can you make this simpler? Nope. Do you have variables on both sides? Yes. Which one is smaller? 3x. If I have a positive 3x, how do I get rid of it? I subtract 3x. -3x minus 3x. We get 6 equals x plus 14. Okay, now look at the side with the x. That's where you want to look at. What can I get rid of over here? I have a positive 14. I can get rid of it by subtracting 14. Cancel. We get -8 equals x, which means x equals -8. Okay, I want you to go ahead and try problems 3 and 4 on your own. Come back to check your answer, and if you get it right, we will move right along.